In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make Strontium here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you only really need one ingredient to do this, and that's going to be Celestine. To actually find this, what I'd recommend doing is going to like the alien area right here, the giant power plant, which is about 1,800 meters east of the life pod. From this area, I'd recommend just building a small little base, and once you build that base, go ahead and make sure that you put a scanner station within it, and you just need to find celestite. This is like all over this area, so go ahead and search for that, right? And then from here, go ahead and choose the closest option. There's a ton of these pretty much everywhere around here, but choose one of these options and then go ahead and make your way over to it. It's gonna mark it like on your map, so you can make your way over there. It's going to show everything within a 300-meter radius. Once you have some, though, go ahead and get yourself the processor, hit like change ingredient, right? And then all you have to do is go on here and you can go ahead and find it on here. And as you can see, Celestine is all you need. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to everything down there. And before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.